This is the mess that I'm going to clear up. You guys have been having the most weird and upset days. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Simply Night. Today I'm going to organize and clean my wardrobe. It is such a disorganized place. I have a lot of linen that is not folded, that requires ironing and also organizing in here, because at the moment it is clearly empty. And so come along with me as I clean and organize my wardrobe. So the first thing I'm going to do is to section each linen according to where I'm going to put it before I start organizing the wardrobe, because some of this linen, most of it requires ironing and also placing it where it is supposed to be. Section the clothes into three. So these are my clothes, specifically mine, and these are his t-shirts, vests and shorts, and these are his shirts, trousers that he uses for work. So I'm going to start with this batch because it requires ironing, and also it requires the most ironing. The rest of this I will iron, but it will not take a lot of time, so this will take a lot of time for me. So this is a section where the shirts go, and down here that's where I organize the t-shirts, the vests, and also the shorts that he like, his shirts. And down there that's where I put bed sheets and also the towels. So I'm going to clean that section of the wardrobe first. So yeah, this place is fully decluttered, and I'm going to clean here. I'm going to clean up here because whatever is there I don't want to see at the moment, but I'm going to clean here. With this downer section, this is where I put his vests, his shirts, and also his shorts. So right now I'm going to be putting the vests there, but before I put the vests, I want to put this cloth there, this cloth where the vests are going to be. I've made sure that I've cleaned and dried the place. I'm concerned, that's where so you guys, this is where I'm going to put the t-shirts here, and I'm going to organize them from the least one to the most one t-shirts. So as I'm folding the shirts, please, I want to reach out to you guys asking you to help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment in the comment section. Let us interact in the comment section. I'm done here, and now I'm going to the last part of this column. So this is the lower cabinet, and what I'm going to do is I've cleaned it and made sure that the place is dry. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put this cloth. As you can see here, this column is done, it's all clean. So this is the second column. This is where I put the trousers, and this is where my clothes usually be, and also here and there we put the bags. So the first thing I'm going to do is declutter. Solution. So this whole place is decluttered, so the next part is cleaning. Going to clean. This is the cabinet below the trousers. That's where I'm going to put my clothes. In case I have excess clothes, I'll put them down here. So we are done with this second column, and that's how we've organized the space. We have the trousers, we have my clothes, we have some extras, and also we have the bags. Last column that I'm going to clean, and also the smallest, so I believe I'm going to take less time here than before. Bag, so we have put the stockings, and I'm also going to put it around here. Okay guys, for watching, thank you for tuning in this far. If you watched from the beginning of the video to this end of the video, I love you so much guys. Thank you for supporting. Please subscribe, please comment. Let's interact in the comment section, and also like the video if you really liked it and enjoyed it. Please press that like button and also press the notification bell. Love you guys.